Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of using Stable Diffusion for text-to-image generation and image-to-image generation. Let's get started. First, open Stable Diffusion and navigate to the Text-to-Image tab. Select your desired model for text-to-image generation. Type in your prompt, ensuring it is clear and concise. Include any specific details or instructions for the AI to follow. Click on the Generate button to initiate the image generation process. Under the Generation tab, you'll find various customization options. Adjust the batch count to specify the number of samples you want to generate. Customize the height, width, batch count, and sampling steps according to your preferences. Ensure you write your prompt properly and include a negative prompt for things you want to avoid in the generated images. Click on the Generate button to start the image generation process. Additionally, Stable Diffusion offers an image-to-image generation option. Here's how to use it. Navigate to the Image-to-Image tab within Stable Diffusion. Drop your desired image into the designated area. Enter a prompt that describes the desired changes or enhancements you want to make to the image. Click on the Generate button to begin the image generation process. Once the process is complete, your image will be generated according to the prompt provided. The link to Stable Diffusion is in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.